Hello everyone, today I am going to review and unbox the graphic card that is the GeForce GTX 1650 Super from GALAX. I have purchased this locally from around 15,500 rupees. You can find this same piece on Amazon around 15,300 rupees. So before unboxing it, I would like to show you all the sides of the boxes. So here it is. Over here you can see its MRP, that is 27,700 rupees, but you can get it for around 15,000 somewhat. Here are some of its key features and some minimum system requirements. Then in the back, here it is, and that's pretty much it from all the sides. Now some of its basic things, that it is a 4 GB VRAM, that is DDR6 DirectX 12, and for using it properly you need to have the proper graphic driver for this. So now we are going to unbox it. So here you get a black box. Inside this graphic card. So I'm going to open it. Okay, so over here it is a quick guide to, that is setup installation. I would like to show you. Here it is. I will get into detail later in this video. So here we have the graphic card itself. So here it is, GTX 1650 Super. It has got two fans for cooling, as when you will use it, it will get intensely heated up. So it needs some proper cooling too. And while purchasing this graphic card, you need to make sure that your cabinet has enough amount of space so that its hot air can easily pass through. So later in this video I will show you how to install this in a PC. So here it is. So before we move on to the installation in the PC, I would like to say that its packing is very sturdy, fine, and it is not damaged from anywhere. So now we will move to installation part. So this is my PC in which I am going to install this graphic card, and next I will be showing you how to do that. So I thought about this, that people give away 500 to 1000 rupees just for simply installing this into this. So I will be showing you. It's really very easy and you can do it at your home also. So we are going to install this in my PC. I have an Asus H110MCS motherboard. So as you can see over here, it needs to be connected right over here. As you can see, it like ATX 12 volt. Over here you need to connect one pin, other one is going to be free. Now this is going to go in this slot. This is PCIe Express 16 pin slot. So we are going to install this. For this you need minimum of around 350 watt power supply. I have a 450 watt one. So over here you can see over here, this is a 6-pin connector. We need to connect it right here. This is the same cable that is coming from that ATX 12 volt. So I am going to connect it. Okay, so now it is connected. You just need to fit it in that slot and it is done. Okay, so as you can see right over here, we have installed this in the slot and that is done, and that's it. So you just need to install the latest driver by turning on your PC and you will be ready to go. So now we are going to close this. In the very next video I am going to post its benchmarks in some of the best games so that you can see it. Thank you.